everyone. Right now I'm waiting to get my oil changed. Some man over there staring at me. Yeah, I'm on my way to South by Southwest. Tonight on the docket is Know Your Mushrooms and Ong Bak 2, which should be pretty good. For those of you who don't know what South by Southwest is, it is like a huge fest that takes place in Austin, Texas every year. It's really three things. You have your movies, your music, and your interactive. So it's huge. It's one of the reasons why Austin is the live music capital nation. No, live music capital of the world. But anyway, I'm on my way there now after I get my oil changed. What else? Oh yeah. Like, some of you already know that, like, Brian, see if I can, like, interject a video of him in here. Brian and I are having a wedding in June in Vegas. It's supposed to be June 21st, midpoint of our birth dates, which is also the summer solstice, but that's a Sunday, so most places are closed on Sunday, apparently. So it's going to be on June 20th, and neither of us have any idea what we're doing. So if any of you have any suggestions at all, let me know. Shoot me a mail. Also, it is so cold out here. It's like, it was like 85 day before yesterday, and today it's 40 something. I'm layered. I'm cold. I shouldn't have left my coat in the car. But it'll just be a few more minutes. So, I hope all of you are doing really well. Also, tomorrow night, the 14th, Saturday, I'm going to hopefully get in to see Katie Blogg's movie she's been working on, Best Worst Movie. It's supposed to be really good. The reviews for it have been really good. So I'm going to check that out. Okay, see you all later.